Another new item that we've added to the store here is the Enduramat. This is heavy-duty flooring for ground protection. So this is going to be ideal for your fence contractors that need to preserve a lawn in the backyard, or if you're doing a ball field and you don't want to rip up the field, you use ground floor mats. This right here is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide. It's heavy-duty polyethylene. It weighs 70 pounds. And you can already see a couple features here with like the carry handles. It is a modular system where you're going to be able to connect multiple mats together for large surface areas. Ideally bought maybe quantities of 10 to 20, and you're going to lay these out to drive your vehicles on and protect the ground.
Select your connection method based on traffic. Light-duty couplers are ideal for pedestrian and light vehicle access. Heavy-duty couplers are best for high traffic zones and heavy equipment. For light-duty setups, slide the couplers into place. For heavy-duty applications, secure them with bolts and nuts for extra stability. Repeat the process until the entire area is covered. Get in touch with us today to place your order.